Hello everyone, this is DM2238. It is a 2000 Honda Accord Euro R. This vehicle is mechanically good to go. Aesthetically it looks pretty dang nice as well. If you have any questions or if you'd like to see anything specific, please let us know. We'd love to send you pictures or video, whatever you'd like to see. But I'm just going to walk around and show this thing off to you. It's pretty cool. It's the first one we've gotten here. It's got factory Recaros in it. It's 5-lug. It's pretty cool, like I said. It does have BC coilovers and these CR Kai wheels. New Falcon tires. Nice black interior. Couple of cup holders. Cool. Nice big trunk. Got a jack and a bag. A couple of tools there. This is the H22 engine, H22A I believe. Mugen strut tower bar, Mugen airbox. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, if you have any questions or if you'd like to see anything specific, please let us know. If you would like to like this video, we would like that. And then if you would like to subscribe, you'll get notifications for every new car that we list on our website. So pretty cool. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.